And we're gonna access the third challenge. So the third challenge is called Hostel. So I'm going to click into it, and then so this is called Hostel. There's one flag from the application, and there's one service that we need to access. The host EL visit you must. The host UL visit you must. So it says there is a hidden site on the system, but you'll have to guess the proper host header. So it actually tells us what we need to do. Try to bypass this security by obscurity mechanism implemented by the host EL. Okay, so to start the challenge, we just need to access this URL right here. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to access this from the website, from our web page, web browser rather. And it says in here, can you find the hidden ETS-CTF host? So this is talking about the host header, of course. So here, it's talking about a host header, and we can actually insert our own host headers by using curl. And it's talking about this host right here. It's going to be EL. So we're going to combine this information here. We're going to access this page right here, and we're going to supply a custom header. So the header we're going to supply is host EL, because that's what they're talking about. We have to supply this dash capital H to supply a custom header. We're going to supply host EL because that's what they say right here, host EL. So when we access the page with this custom header, it says, awesome work, here is your flag, and we got the flag. So we're just going to copy this. Okay, so all we need to do is we need to go over to the web page and submit this flag, and then claim it, and we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.